Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Alien Protocols. So, these are what is called ideograms. They are very basic symbols that connect to your subconscious. They reflect ideas based on how our brains interpret visual symbols. So, oftentimes you will notice that the most accurate readings or the most accurate ESP results you get are from very subconscious thoughts. And the very first one. And these are reflections of some of those thoughts. These are symbols that make a lot of sense to your subconscious. When you see this, you think mountain. When you see something like this, you think land. When you see something like this, your subconscious thinks water or energy. Or if you see a right angle, you think this is constructed, human-made, just intrinsically deep in your subconscious. And even this symbol is the most basic symbol for a biological entity, a living creature. There are more ideograms, but these are the core ones. So what happens is, in controlled remote viewing, you get your target number, it's 4, 2, 3, 7, 6, 9, 8, and then at the end, you do a squiggle, thinking about the target. And that squiggle is going to have these things in it. And you will find out again and again, at least I have, that these squiggles, a small squiggle at the end of your target number, is an incredibly accurate reflection of the target. So, think about these ideograms. Remember them. Train your mind and your subconscious to learn them. And you don't even need to do the whole controlled remote viewing target number thing to utilize them. You can have a target and just think about the target for a while and then do a squiggle. Let your hand intrinsically just do an improvisational motion, or whatever feels like a comfortable amount of motions. And then you go back to your chart and you interpret it. So here, which is a crazy one because I got stuck on the corner here, you would see, oh look, this looks man-made here. I've got some very interesting, I got a loop here. So you might say this is a biological in a man-made structure. And this the straight line here looks like land, but land on a slope. Now, this human-made symbol can be, of course, in any direction. It can be, this way. Oh, my pin's losing its ink. It can be in all sorts of different directions, so just keep that in mind. And the most confusing out of all of these is this one, water and energy. When it's more jagged edges, it's usually more energy. If it's more wavy, it's generally more water. But you'll get to know your own brain and be able to interpret your ideograms, knowing yourself more and more over time. So play around with these. Have fun with them and see if they help you communicate to and from your subconscious. Much love to you and yours.